How to change Cash App PIN or password. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change your Cash App PIN or password. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From here, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, you are in the Cash App profile section, where you can manage your account settings, personal information, linked banks, and several other options. Next, look under the Account and Settings section and tap Privacy. After tapping it, wait a moment for the page to finish loading before continuing. This is the Cash App Privacy section, where you can manage your Cash PIN, screen lock, and other security preferences. On this page, look for and tap on Change Cash PIN. Here, you are on the Change PIN page, where you will be asked to verify your identity before making any changes. Go ahead and confirm your identity using your fingerprint, face unlock, or by entering your current PIN, depending on what your device supports. After confirming, you will be taken to a new screen where you can enter your new 4-digit PIN. Type in your new PIN, then enter it a second time to confirm it. Once both entries match, your Cash App PIN will be updated immediately, and you will see a confirmation message on the screen letting you know the change was successful. From here, you can back out to the profile page, and your new PIN will now be required the next time you send money or access certain features in the app. Thanks. I hope this tutorial helped you change your Cash App PIN or password. That is how to change your Cash App PIN or password.